Hey everybody. So I'm going to unbox this box. And yeah, I started collecting these modern GI Joe figures with the idea that one day I will probably have a son. You're saying, why would you make such an assumption? Well, um, somebody told me. And no, nobody's pregnant. It was a person that has spiritual gifts that said it. So, yeah, am I crazy? Yeah. Yeah, I am. I believe it. Anyway, so yeah, this box was brand new. It was in perfect condition. And any of you who are hardcore GI Joe people, you're gonna be like kind of mad at me. But look what my cat did. Like he fell off the bookshelf over there, and look at the scratches. His feet must have just been completely spread out because it looks like a cheetah. Like a cheetah did that. Well, not really. I'm sure a cheetah would do more damage than that. But so here's the box. Here's the back. Right? Yeah, that little white light's kind of annoying, but that's the back anyways. It shows here spinning Gatling gun, retracting capture claw, and firing laser gun. All right, let's get this bad boy open. Can't believe I'm doing this, to be honest. No, it's done now. All right. So here's clutch. Oh my god, he's stiff. All right. Wow. Super stiff. That's better. Yeah, they were so much better in the 80s when they just nothing was weird about them. Nothing was, you know, like they just made them better. It just feels like it's gonna break, but it's not too bad. Wrists, everything is either too loose or too tight always with these modern Joes, but whatever. But they look amazing. All right, not too bad. Here, let's take a look at what's under here. Here's the truck. Wow, that's a really cool color. It's like a tan, and look at the seats. Look at the colors. It's pretty cool. All right, I dig it. Not too big on that red. That's a little weird, but when it comes with wheels and accessories. Wow, okay. All right. Got a little pack. Clutch's helmet with chin strap. 1911. Oh, look at that. A hammer. A sledgehammer. The hell? Okay, we got gas tanks, jerry cans, all kinds of little parts. I'm surprised on the color. I really like the color. And let's open this up. All right, what do we got here? Just a poster. These were so cool in the 80s. This is pretty cool, actually. Shows some more of the guys. Snowjob, Recondo, Beachhead, Dusty, Snake Eye. Oh, look at Dusty. Duke. That's a weird Cobra Commander. That's a winter destro. That's kind of cool. Some weird storm shadow. Zartan. Firefly. What the hell? That does not look like Firefly. Jungle Viper. What the hell? The Alley Viper. Yeah, some of the new GI Joe stuff got a bit weird. Whoa, look at those decals. That's insanity. Okay, here's the assembly here. Not too complicated, really. Like all my GI Joe stuff, though, I'm probably going to give it a paint job. So I'll see how much I can break this down. It looks like I'll be able to take it completely apart almost. It's really good, though. That's really big. I'll have to tie that up here somehow. Or use something else. I don't know how that goes back in. Cool. The steering wheel. Man, this thing's hype. All right.